This day is more than a wedding. It is the echo of a dream that began more than a decade ago. Since day one, we've been inseparable.
I knew you were the one.
Love is not just a word, it is the energy that binds soul, heals wounds, and creates worlds. Through you, I've learned that love is ever expanding, is stretching beyond dimensions and time.
I've waited 100 years, but I'd wait 1,000,000 more for you. Nothing prepared me for what the privilege of being yours would do.
Choosing to marry you feels like the most natural and best decision of my life.
If I had only felt the warmth within your touch, if I had only seen how you smile when you blush, or how you curl your lip when you concentrate enough, I would have known what I was living for all along. What I've been living for. Your love is my turning page, where only the sweetest words remain. Every kiss is a cursive line, every touch is a redefining phrase. I surrender who I've been for who you are, for nothing makes me stronger than your fragile heart. If I had only felt how it feels to be yours, well, I would have known what I've been living for.
I will remain your anchor, your lifeguard, and your greatest cheerleader.
I love that you exist. I love you.
I've been living for.
I vow that you will forever be my Star of David, not just in a name, but in a compass guiding me back to love no matter how far I drift.
I vow to trust, listen, respect, and grow with you.
I vow to never take you for granted, and to always honor the path that brought us together.
We're tethered to the story we must tell. When I saw you, well, I knew we'd tell it well. With a whisper, we will tame the vicious seas like a feather, bringing kingdoms to their knees.
Hand in hand, soul in soul, two became one. Te amo, my love.
Two Aries universal.